Number 1. Draymel Multimax MM50-01. Draymel has long been one of the top names in both oscillating and rotary tools, and the Multimax MM50 shows why. This well-designed oscillating tool boasts a powerful 5-amp motor, a variable speed of 10,000 to 21,000 RPM, and a no-tool-required mechanism for quick and easy changes of attachments. Plus, the front end is compact enough to fit into tight spaces, while the slightly angled design of the body means you have excellent control even when working on very small or detailed projects. At just under 3 pounds, the lightweight tool can consistently cut and sand through thick and thin materials with little vibration or kickback. And you'll get plenty of attachments with this 31-piece kit. Along with the oscillating tool itself, the kit includes 2 wood and metal flush-cut blades, 1 wood flush-cut blade, 1 wood and drywall blade, 1 drywall jab saw, 1 hook and loop pad, 12 sanding sheets in various grits for sanding painted surfaces, 12 sanding sheets in various grits for wood, metal, or plaster, and 1 handy storage bag to keep everything together. That means you can tackle a huge range of DIY tasks around your home, yard, and garage. Number 2. Best Budget, Genesis GMT15A Multi-Purpose Oscillating Tool. Light in weight and on the wallet, the Genesis Multi-Purpose Oscillating Tool doesn't disappoint in its value and power. The reasonable price tag is perfectly paired with the versatility of this compact corded machine. It works well in corners and close quarters as a sander, saw, powerful scraper, and detailed grout remover. The 1.5 amp motor, while not the highest in power, is smooth and consistent in its delivery. The narrow oscillating head gives 21,000 oscillations per minute with little vibration. A 4-pin flange firmly holds the included accessories in place. The Genesis comes with the 4-pound tool, 3-inch hook and loop sanding pad, extra sandpaper, rigid scraper blade, a 3-inch wood and drywall blade, Allen wrench, and a 30mm flush cut blade. The flush cut blade is perfect for narrow jobs around door jambs, windowsills, and trim. What we like: minimal vibration. Can use with attachments from other brands. What we don't like: not for heavy-duty projects. Number 3. Makita Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. It's powerful enough to tackle nearly any job. The Makita 18-volt cordless oscillating multi-tool can take on tile, plaster, drywall, wood flooring, PVC and more. The variable speed control revs up to a smooth 20,000 oscillations per minute. The tool can also run at a gentle 6,000 OPM when a soft touch is needed on woodwork, glass, or other fragile material. The 18-volt LXT battery is sold separately and only takes 30 minutes to charge. The ergonomic grip paired with the 3.2-degree oscillation angle cuts down on arm fatigue and allows for serious cutting and sanding at a rapid pace. Makita has an easy change design for switching quickly between accessories when completing complicated projects. Number 4. When you have to get it done fast, get the Rockwell Sonocrafter F80, the only oscillating tool with 2 modes, both one for massive power, motor for precision and control. Rockwell Sonocrafter F80 WHWN quitting is not an option. Rockwell has made one of the more powerful oscillating multi-tools on the market. The 2 angles of oscillation choose 5 degrees when working on wood and 3.4 degrees when working with metal paired with the 4.2 amp motor allow you to go from slow and steady to fast and furious. The Rockwell is dependable to quickly complete light and heavy-duty jobs, from cross-cutting, plunge cuts, trimming precise cuts or slicing swiftly through metal pipes or sheeting. It has a cutting load of 35 pounds, an industry maximum. Number 5. DEWALT Oscillating Tool Kit. The brushless motor can go from 0 to 20,000 OPM in under a minute. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, the lightweight DEWALT cordless multi-tool has 20 volts rather than the typical 18 or even 12 volts of most oscillators, which allows it to quickly slice through sheetrock, light woods, and metal. The quick change lever allows for keyless blade changes for fast swapping between accessories. The tool has a built-in work light, which is very handy when reaching into tight spaces. Choose from 3 speeds to fit your needs, and variable control within those settings. The kit includes a carrying bag, 2 blade attachments, a universal adapter, sanding pad, and 25 sheets of sandpaper. It comes with DEWALT's 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. What we like: brushless motor, powerful performance. What we don't like: few complaints about the battery not holding charge. Number 6. DEWALT Oscillating Tool Kit.
Introducing PORTERCABLE's latest addition to their oscillating multi-tool line, the PCE 605. This new tool has features such as its tool-free system blade change, performance, new depth and cutting guide, ergonomics, and value that will make cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding fast and easy. The main feature that sets the PORTERCABLE oscillating multi-tool above the rest is the patent-pending tool-free system blade change. This feature allows users to easily adjust or change the position of any accessory to best complete the job. First, the performance of the new PORTERCABLE corded oscillating multi-tool has been increased with the help of a 3-amp motor and 10 to 22,000 oscillations per minute. This gives the user the power to tackle the job at hand. A new depth and cutting guide accessory has 2 functions that help the user control the oscillating multi-tool to make more accurate cuts. In the depth position, the guide can be adjusted to only allow the blade to plunge to a certain depth of material, such as cutting baseboard while keeping the sheetrock intact on the other side. In addition to the depth position, this accessory can be used in the cutting position to help keep a straight and even line while making longer cuts in wood or sheetrock. Oscillating tools have become a staple in the toolbox of contractors and homeowners alike. The PORTERCABLE PCE 605 provides a tool-free system blade change, performance, new depth and cutting guide, ergonomics, and value to complete any cutting, sanding, scraping, or grinding job that you have.